now we move to the next topic. Next topic differentiate between the scanner and printer, because a lot of the doubt between the students ki whatever the use of scanner and printer. So if we talk about the scanner and printer, okay, there are huge difference between them. If we talk about the scanner is an input device. Okay, while if we talk about the printer is output device. First of all things, with the help of the scanner we can keep the digital image in computer. Okay, and with the help of the printer we will print hard copy of a document. Okay, there are huge difference between the scanner is an input device and printer is an output device. In scanner we can keep the image in digital form in the computer, and whatever the image will store into the computer we can take the printout in the form of hard copy. Okay, so we will try to understand the concept of the printer and scanner also. So first of all, whatever the working of the scanner and printer, suppose that it is the scanner working, suppose that this one is CPU, computer. Okay, suppose that this is my computer. Here the inbuilt the CPU and other things is here. Okay, so when this is the scanner. Okay, it is the scanner. So when we keep the file is here, whatever the file, when we keep the file here, file means the document. Okay, document means images. Okay, any document when we keep here, or after that the connection of this scanner device directly to the computer. Okay, so what will happen? After that, pressing the button from here to scan. When we press the button in computer to scan, तो what happen कि whatever the file is here, okay, जो भी file यहाँ पे present है, उसकी image it will be captured and directly sent to the computer, and this file directly come to here. Got it? But if we talk about the printer, it is the scanner. But whatever the printer, suppose that whatever the file is present, okay, if you want to take the printout of the particular copy, so the next device is output device. Output device means the printer. Okay, like that, this one the printer. Okay, here the piece of the paper. This is the piece of the paper, and when we given the command print control plus P, तो what happen कि when you switch on, जैसे हम switch on करेंगे इसको, when we switch on the particular devices, what will happen कि suppose that we are selecting this file, or after that when you giving the printout, this printer will move it like that. The drum printer is here, okay, laser printer, inkjet printer, whatever the printer, any printer is here. Okay, what will happen कि whatever the page it will coming from this way. Okay, or after that we can take the hard copy of this document from here. Okay, this file. So it is the basically difference between the scanner and printer. Scanner is an input device and printer is an output device. Okay, scanner में we are in the last classes we already discussed it कि whatever the parts of the scanner. Scanner means कि handheld scanner. Okay, handheld. Okay, handheld scanner means such type of the device. Okay, one type of the pointing device, just move the documents, or after that it will scan each and every documents. Okay, after that flat bag. Okay, in flat bag normally this type of the scanner device we are using in our home purposes, like that this type. Okay, flat bag devices, we can keep the image in the computer in the digital form. Okay, after that if we talk about the next type of the scanner is drum scanner. So drum scanner means कि like that this type of the drum is here. Okay, and when it will be moved it, okay, it scan the particular pages, and after that it will keep the images from here. Okay, right now when we go into the printer with different types of the printer we are discussing here, like that normally we are using at home two types of the printer. First one is laser printer. or next one is inkjet printer. I discussed these two types of the printers only when because normally we are using the at home or the cyber cafe and other places, or easily you can give it this type of the printer. Okay, so basically if you go into the cyber cafe, you can directly ask you ki what is the where is the laser printer or whatever the working of the laser printer. Okay, same things if you making the color and black and white both the images. Okay, color and black and white, both the images. Color and black and white, both the type of the images you can print it with the help of the inkjet printer, but the laser printer you can print the black and white only pictures, black and white pictures only. But it is fast, it is slow. Okay, it can print the number of the pages 10 to 20 pages at one time, or it can print the pages only 2 to 3 pages, because here different types of the inks, it will take the time. Okay, or okay, so basically these are the print types. So normally this type of the printer is it. I think the topic is clear. Basically what is the scanner and what is the printer. Scanner is the input device and printer is the output device. With the help of the scanner we can keep the digital image to the computer, and whatever the digital image is stored into the computer we can directly print into the with the help of printer. So these are some example of the input scanner devices, like that handheld scanner, flatbed scanner, drum scanner. And here normally two types of the printer we are using it, laser printer or inkjet printer in daily purposes. Okay, thank you.